Cost and Management Accounting 1. The first unit is Basic Concepts. See, under Basic Concepts, we have studied limitations of financial accounting. And again, you know that because of the limitations of financial accounting, a new branch of accounting called cost accounting emerged. So let us see the meaning and definitions of concepts of cost accounting, like here cost, costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy, etc. See, let us see the first one, meaning of cost. So what is cost? See, in ordinary language, cost means price. See, in our ordinary language, cost means price. So whenever we go to a shop to purchase a certain thing, then we ask the owner of that shop, what is the cost of this, or what is the cost of this product, like that. So in ordinary language, cost means price. Even the Oxford Dictionary defines cost as the price paid for something. Even the Oxford Dictionary tells that, or according to the Oxford Dictionary, cost means the price that is paid for something. But in cost accounting, cost is considered different from price. In our cost accounting, that is the new subject, cost accounting, cost is considered different from price. So when a firm starts producing goods, it has to pay the price for the factors employed for the production. See, these factors include wages to workers employed, prices for the raw materials, fuel and power used, rent for the building he hires, and interest on the money borrowed for doing business, etc. So accounting costs are these costs which are included in the cost of production. So in cost accounting, here cost means the amount paid for the factors of production. So in order to produce a product, we employ the factors, that is the raw material, we pay the wage, and we incur certain other expenses. So total of these expenses called as cost in our cost accounting. So hence accounting costs take care of all payments and charges that the firm makes to suppliers of different productive factors. So here accounting costs, or in our cost accounting, here cost means here costs means here all payments and charges that a firm makes for the suppliers of different productive factors. That is what cost. Then definition of cost. Gordon and Sherling-Law define the term cost as the resources that have been or must be sacrificed to attain a particular objective. So the definition of cost that is given by Gordon and Sherling-Law is that the resources that have been or must be sacrificed to attain a particular objective. See, the resources that have been given up, or here the resources that have been employed for the production of a particular good or product is called here a cost. See, for example, see, in the production of a chair, wooden chair, here the factors or the resources are here the raw or the wood. We need wood to produce or to make a chair, wooden chair. We need wood. Wood is the resource. Then we need labor, or we have to pay the carpenter charge. Then again we have to pay for a paint or varnishes, etc. Then all these include the cost of that wooden chair. So Here, according to Gordon and Schelling, cost means the resources that have been or must be sacrificed to attain a particular objective. So here, the objective of producing a wooden chair, we sacrifice or we pay for certain resources. The total of that, that is the total expenses incurred to manufacture a wooden chair, is known as the total cost or the cost. Then again, in the words of Anthony and Welch, cost is measurement in monetary terms of the amount of resources are used for some purpose. So again, it is defined as cost is a measurement in monetary terms of the amount or resources are used for some purpose. That is, say for the purpose of producing a product or rendering a service. That is known as the cost. Then again, ICMA London has defined cost as the amount of expenditure incurred on or attributable to specified thing or activity. ICMA London defines cost as the amount of expenditure incurred, the total amount of expenditure incurred on or attributable to a specified thing or activity. The total expenses incurred, say in the manufacture of a particular product or in rendering a service, or the total expenses attributable or charged to a particular product that is manufactured or a particular service that is rendered, is known as a cost according to ICMA London. See, cost is also defined as an exchange price, that is foregoing a sacrifice made to secure benefit. It is also defined as exchange price. It is the exchange price. Exchange price, say a price that is paid in exchange. See, when we purchase a wooden chair, we pay the total expenses incurred for that. So that exchange price, so we get the wooden chair and we pay the total price or the cost of that wooden chair. So it is the exchange price. So we get that product and we pay the amount. So it is defined as the exchange price foregoing or a sacrifice made to secure benefit. We secure or we get the benefit. That is, here benefit is the wooden chair. For that we pay the price. The price is the cost. Then another concept is expense. Expenses denote all expired costs which are deductible from revenues of a particular period. So when a portion of the service potential of an asset is consumed, that portion of its cost is termed as expense. Examples here office expenses, selling expenses, etc. So expense means here expired costs which are deductible from revenues of a particular period. So expired costs are known as here expense. So this is about cost. Then meaning and definitions of costing. Meaning of costing. Costing is the technique and process of determining the cost of a product, service or job. Costing is a systematic procedure of ascertaining the cost of a product, service or job. Costing. Costing is the process of ascertaining the cost. So we know in the production of a particular product, various resources are sacrificed. For the various resources, we pay the price. So here the total price incurred or the total price we paid for all these resources is here ascertained. That process is known as here costing. So costing is nothing but ascertaining the cost of a product or service. Costing. Here definition, according to again ICMA London, costing means the technique and process of ascertaining the cost. So in order to ascertain the cost, we employ certain techniques. So we know in financial accounting, to ascertain the profit or loss, we ascertain certain here techniques. So also here in cost accounting, to ascertain the cost, we employ certain techniques. Such here techniques are known as here costing. Then the Institute of Cost and Management Accounts, London, also defines the term costing as the technique and process of ascertaining the costs.
10 minutes.